What's going on, family? It's your man, Miami Patron, here for another video. And like always, coming to you from beautiful Medellin, Colombia. You guys have already seen the view of... You know what? I'm gonna show you again because it's that beautiful. Look at that. Alrighty, we back at it. I'm a little sunburned today because yesterday I actually went to Guadalupe here in Medellin, so I got a little sunburnt, so look at that. We good. But anyways, guys, in this video, I'm gonna be talking about, by the way, I'm your guide to the digital nomad lifestyle. I'm gonna start putting that in my intro. But anyways, in this video, what I'm gonna be talking about is the direction in which I wanna take my channel, right? I found a passion for what I'm doing, and I found a passion in helping people do what I'm doing right now. So, who is this channel for, and what are the future of the videos that are going to be coming out? I have been living abroad for the last, I would say, 7 months now. So for those of you that don't know, I've been making money online for over 2 years now. I had a Facebook ads agency, and then in April of this year, I launched my new business, which is Expert Course Seekers, where I teach people how to launch an online course, an online business, selling the information online in the form of coaching and in the form of online courses, right? So when I launched this business, it gave me a lot of freedom, right? And about the same time I launched the business, I also got my passport, and that's when I came to Medellin, because prior to this I was in Puerto Rico and traveling throughout the United States. But when I got to Medellin, this is when my eyes completely got opened up and my life completely changed. And as I began developing my business, as I began developing my product, who do I want to offer my product to? Because I just don't want to teach people how to launch online courses, not just anybody. There's a particular group of people. And it took me about 3 months to really refine who do I want to help, what I want to help them do, what's the end goal, what position am I in to help these people. And these are the kind of questions I was asking myself when I was launching this. And it came down to me. One day I woke up in the middle of the night and I was like, help people travel. Right? Because I like watching travel videos, right? The travel vlogs. There's so many travel vlogs on YouTube. Now this channel is not going to be particularly a travel vlog. What it's going to be, it's travel mixed with business. Because what I've seen is most travel vlogs are travel mixed with entertainment, right? Cinematics. They're going to show you a beautiful city. They're going to show you nice 4K, drone shots, all this kind of stuff. Now, not to say I'm not going to be implementing this stuff into my channel, but my main basis is this. I'm gonna show you the beautiful city. I'm gonna travel. I'm gonna show you the best hostels, the best restaurants, how to live under $1,000 a month in some of these cities. I think that's gonna be one of my series that I have in each city, how to live $1,000 a month in XYZ city, right? So I'm gonna be teaching this stuff, but I'm gonna be showing you and guiding you because I'm gonna be ahead of you, but also I'm gonna teach you how to live the lifestyle by making money online so you can begin to cut your ties and then begin traveling to do that. Because one of the biggest problems that digital nomads have is, one, they don't make enough money to go and travel. Two, they're not making money online, so they don't have the freedom to go travel. Or three, once they are traveling, they're not making any more money. They're living off their savings, or they just run out of money and they have to go back to their normal job after a year or so. So I found a problem in which I can solve because I've been helping people make money online. So I mix my passion of helping people launch online businesses with the passion that I'm fulfilling right now, which is creating YouTube videos while I'm traveling, right? So the basis of these videos are this. I'm gonna be teaching you how to live a digital nomad lifestyle, you know, the ins and outs, but also how to make money so you can sustain that lifestyle while you're on the road, all right? Now, this is a caveat that I'm not really the backpacker lifestyle. I'm not the one to, now I do wear the same shirt every single day, so you're gonna see my videos, I wear my same shirts. But other than that, you're not gonna see me with a backpack. You're not gonna see me, you know, hitchhiking, all that kind of stuff, because I do like luxury, right? So my goal with this is, at this point in the video, I'm working on affording, you know, the luxury lifestyle of the travel, right? But my goal is to build a business to be able to live a luxurious lifestyle, while traveling, right? So you're not gonna see me, doing the most backpacker, minimalistic, all that kind of stuff, because that's not really my style. My style is to live a fun life where you are making the choices you want based on what you want to do, not based on money, right? So I'm helping you make the money so you can make the choices that you want. So like I said, this channel is not gonna be for the backpacker lifestyle. Now I will be showing you economical stuff. Like I said, I'll probably have a series on how to live $1,000 a month in XYZ city, right? I'll teach you like the best restaurants, all that kind of stuff, living in a hostel, living in a nice apartment, you know, different stuff like that. Now, not to say, like I said, not to say that I'm not gonna share this economical stuff, but this isn't for the backpacker. This is for the person that wants to live a great lifestyle while traveling. They want to go ahead and go in Bali and stay in a beautiful apartment. They want to eat at a great restaurant. They want to be able to do this kind of stuff while traveling. Not do the minimalistic, but travel but make money at the same time. So that's who my channel is for. All right, guys? So I want you guys to stay tuned. I'm loving every single moment of this, and hopefully you guys can grow. You can see the world through my eyes in my videos. So Miami Patron out.